Hey, my name is Ravi. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I'm here to get my hair transplant. So I did 350 scalp done on my hair, and this is done by Grace Toucher Clinic. And it was great meeting Dr. Murad and the team, and it was very safe to get the hair transplant done, and it was a very good procedure. They provide me a hotel, they take care of me very nicely, they provide me lunch as well, like breakfast as well in the morning, and it was quiet in the transport as well, and that's the main thing. And it was a decent price for everything, and it was good. They take care of you like you are back at home. And Istanbul is amazing. It was very nice to be here, and I love to come here back from a holiday and to do some other things. All the best. See you then.